Hey YouTube family, this is 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫 with 𝐾𝐨𝐧'𝐭 and Overage Education, and today I am going to do a video on stop living life as though you have to and live the life you want. I talk to so many people on a daily basis that are stressed out about their bills, getting out of debt, not liking their job. And one of the things that I discovered that I realized about me, and I guess the unique position that I have, is that I realize a lot of people aren't really living. They're living the life they have to instead of the life that they want. And I just want to encourage and empower you that if you came across my video, you obviously are looking into doing tax deed overages and excess proceeds, but I really want to talk about excess proceeds because I really feel like excess proceeds can give you the freedom that you're looking for in real estate. I think a lot of people, every time I speak on a stage, people walk away saying, oh my God, I can't believe that this even exists. And I always tell people, right now, if it was easy, everybody would be doing it. So right now, I feel like this is not oversaturated, and I'm gonna be completely honest, I struggle sometimes. I'm just like, God, why do I have to keep teaching? Like, I'm good. I just want to just keep my head down and collect my checks and just live the life I want. But I do know oftentimes we are here for a purpose. And so I think my purpose is to educate, empower, and inspire others. So this video is more like an inspiration if you're feeling down or you're on the fence or you're trying to figure out a way to create a different type of life for yourself and you're looking for an avenue to create that. I would highly suggest excess proceeds because it's going to give you more freedom, it's going to give you more time, and most importantly, it's going to give you more money without having to work hard to put money into something. This business is strictly based on knowledge and time, and the systems that I'm going to be teaching on August 15th, it's going to eliminate a lot of the time if you just input the systems. AI has exploded. Now, I do want to say, I was talking to someone today and they were like, well, can it replace the whole business? And I'm like, absolutely not, because you are dealing with government agencies. And so the government does ban a lot of stuff. So AI doesn't pick up on a lot of stuff. And for those that are new to AI, and if you're familiar with SEOs, now it's AEO, and AEO is apparently the SEO of what I call AI. So like when you go to like ChatGPT, Claude, Manus, Perplexity, or Amplify, all those places, if you were to look up tax deeds or excess proceeds, 9 times out of 10, they're not showing up. Why? Because it is a government agency. So I always tell people AI will not replace part of the business, but the daily routine in and out can. And so I always tell people it's not oversaturated yet because I feel like it does require, time and energy and consistency. And I think a lot of us just don't have that muscle to be consistent unless we're told, right? One of my videos, I was just talking about entrepreneurship. I used to tell myself, oh, I'm not disciplined. And I was thinking to myself, I'm like, yes, you are disciplined, 𝐬𝐿𝐫𝐿. You have to be disciplined because you've been able to create a life for yourself without working for someone. But I guess there's always room for growth, right? Because sometimes there's days where I just, I don't have anybody telling me what to do, or I don't have any deadlines. So there's a lot of days where I'm just laying in my bed, just vegging out on Netflix when I know I should be making calls or looking up other counties. But I say that all to say that if you get really good in excess proceeds, it doesn't require a lot of time. The most important thing that it requires is persistence and consistency. And so I just want to talk about some of the freedoms that you could have. Like, you could pay off your debt, you could build your savings. I wouldn't highly suggest replacing your income if you're just new to real estate and investing period, because I always tell people, I think I've built the muscle over time being a realtor being in real estate investing that I already know up front, like I have to plant the seeds. And I think a lot of times I struggle helping others or teaching others because I realize a lot of people do not have that muscle that you have to plant seeds until you get a harvest. But I believe that because I've been in real estate for 20 years, I do understand that concept. I do understand that principle. That's why when people tell me, oh, I want to be a real estate agent or I want to be in real estate, I'd be like, good. I don't tell them good luck, but I just be like, I'll see if they last like a year or two, because I know when I first started getting into real estate, I literally worked 4 months before I ever saw a paycheck. And I don't think people realize the reality of that, or people don't even have like the mindset or the muscle. Like, could you imagine working 4 months and never getting paid? I think I did a video earlier this year and I was like, where is my check? Like, it's July, you guys, it's July. And do you guys know I have not received one check from one county? And so I tell people, you know, I'm used to that. Now, the good thing is I don't, what's the phrase I'm trying to think? Dang, I just lost my train of thought, you guys. I lost my train of thought. What I was going to say was I don't count my money until it comes in. But the good thing is that I do have a lot of files out at the county. So eventually I will make my 6 figures this year. But I'm just like, it's July. What's going on, counties? Like, what's going on? But I always ask myself, I'm like, Mika, what's showing up for you? And what I realize is that, honestly, guys, I've been lazy. Literally, I've been lazy. When I say, I don't mean to brag and boast, but when I say it's so easy to make 6 figures, like, it's so easy to make 100 grand in this. Like, and if you look in the right places, you could do like 2 or 3 claims and be done for the rest of the year. And I'm not gonna lie, you guys, pretty much that's what I have been doing. And I guess the good old Lord is teaching me to be like a little bit more diligent, and teaching me to be like, just don't rest on this county or that county. You need to expand, because maybe he has some greater purpose for me. I don't know. So I actually have ventured out to like 5 different other counties. And it's been a process and it's been very interesting, but guess what? Now I have even more expansive knowledge, right? So the whole point of this video is that if you are wanting to find a different option to creating income for yourself, I would highly suggest looking into excess proceeds. It is one of the most lucrative, and I don't want to say easy because it's not easy for everybody, but you can like literally, like, I don't want to say replace your income, because, you know, I wouldn't suggest that for those that aren't used to like working for 5 or 6 months and not paying, but you can make money. And I'm not going to promise that you're going to get rich overnight, but what I can say is that you can do 6 figures without investing more than $20. And I don't know where you could do that at. I mean, if y'all know, like, drop it in the comments. But it does require persistence and consistency, and most importantly, believing in yourself that you can do this. And so I just want to end this video with, if you're looking for a different option and you want to build what I call a freedom fund, this is where it's at. It's in excess proceeds. And excess proceeds can help you get there if you stay persistent and consistent on this journey. It's one of the best, like I always say, this is one of the best real estate investments, y'all, because I'll tell y'all a story really quick and then I'm gonna get off this YouTube. I'll never forget this. In 2008, 2009, I thought I was like rich, right? Until I got caught with my pants down like everybody else. I was all enthralled in real estate and pretty much had to sell everything. And then I kind of beat myself up, right? Because I had to file bankruptcy. I had to sell all my homes. I had to start all over again. And then I was like, I know I can make money in real estate, but like, where do I start? So I'm saying this all to say, I had this bright idea. I was like, okay, I could get back on top if I find the right investment. Well, I did. I found this fourplex. Now, this fourplex needed to be fixed up. Once it was fixed up, it would be like $600,000, but I had got it for $200,000. But guess what? I had to ask my grandparents for actually $300,000 cash. And I'm saying that all to say, although it was a good deal, I was stressed the hell out, okay? For those that have done fix and flips, that have done buy and holds, you guys know that investing in real estate isn't a walk in a park, and it's not that where everybody says, oh, just do this, do that. There's a lot of stress that goes into it. And so I said this all to say that I've done a little bit of everything. And could you imagine, my grandparents, they were old. I was like, I can't lose this deal because I'm going to owe them $300,000 if I don't get this deal right. Anyway, I say that all to say that I get so excited about talking about excess proceeds, and I call it the Freedom Fund, because guess what? You don't need more than like literally 20 to 40 bucks. And the reason why it's a range, because it depends on how much the notary costs, and it depends on how you're going to send it to the county, like the paperwork, right? But it's really, really a low entry to get a great reward. And so I just want to close this video. If you are interested in wanting to get into excess proceeds and learn it and not look at it as a hustle or a get rich scheme, this is the place to do it. Like I was just telling a student, I think I'm the only person that actually teaches a mastermind in an actual county with real leads, with a system. I don't sell any fluff and sell all these stories and upsell programs. I literally teach you in a 4-week course exactly from A to B, so that I take the guesswork out of you trying to figure it out. And I'm going to call one of my students, and she was retired, and I just was like, you know how like you could teach someone and you're like, oh man, I don't know if they're gonna do, do really good. Like I was really concerned because she was older and she would have problems like logging on to Zoom. But guess what? She was one of my first students that got her claim it. She called me, I think like 2 weeks out of the class, and was like, I got one. And she's like, I almost wanted to give up, but you said 90 days. Well, she did it before 90 days. I think she did it in like 30 days. So anyway, I just want to kind of encourage and empower and inspire you that if you are looking for another way to make money and not have a life bigger than your bills, okay? Because I think a lot of times we go to work, we're told what to do, we're told to pay our bills, we're living this life that we have to do things as opposed to the life we want to live. And so I'm just want to empower you, encourage you that you can do this with this option, but it does take persistence and consistency. So anyway, if you're interested and you're wanting to learn more about excess proceeds on a hands-on version, it's a 4-week class where I'm teaching you A to B. You get assigned homework, because I really believe that when you learn and you do things hands-on, it will stick. Like I would say the last couple of students in my last like 4 or 5 masterminds, they were able to go into other counties and literally be able to get claimants because they were taught the process. Everything is a process. I talk about systems and foundation, and it's a system. And once you learn that system, all you do is rinse and repeat. And like I always tell people, if it was easy, everybody would be doing it. So I don't want to say it's super easy, but it's a lot easier than being stressed on, giving my 80-year-old grandparents, like being stressed to give them their $300,000 back. You know what I'm saying? So I said that all to say, if you're wanting to get into real estate without having a lot of cash and stress, y'all, because girl, I'm here to tell you, even if you're a guy, I'm sorry, but yeah, real estate can stress you the heck out, especially if you're an investor. Man, I can tell you guys, I should actually do a video on some horror stories, but anyway, that's my past. This is my future and my present. I no longer have those stressors. The only stress I have now is getting these checks from these counties. And I'm like, dang, when y'all gonna pay out? But I am blessed that, I'm still living off of the checks that I got last year. So be it, right? So anyway, I just want to say, if you're interested in wanting to learn this business and you're a hands-on learner, I would highly suggest you joining my mastermind. I will be having one sometime in August. If you click the link below, you can sign up and register. If you want to know some AI tools that I use in this business and you don't want to buy my program, I'm actually going to host a free webinar on all the things that you need to do to like build this business or another business. So click the link. I will have a link for that as well. Happy investing.